Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Learning, and today we are going to study chemical reactions and equations. So to study this chapter in very detail, the very first stage is to learn about what is meant by chemical reaction. Chemical reaction होता क्या है और ये कैसे टेक प्लेस करता है नेचर में, एंड हाउ वी कैन नो वेदर अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस और नॉट. To understand what is meant by chemical reaction, we can say, हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं in an easy way, when one substance get converted into one or more different substance due to some chemical interaction, we can say that a chemical reaction is taking place. Suppose our first substance is known as reactant, and this is known as product. We can say when a reactant is getting converted into a product, a chemical reaction is taking place. So to wind up this, I can say when a reactant due to some chemical interactions get converted into a product, we can say that a chemical reaction is taking place. Thank you. So अभी हमें पता चल गया है कि केमिकल रिएक्शन कैसे टेक प्लेस करती है. हाउ वी कैन से दैट अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. सो इन इजी मेथड हमें पता है कि व्हेन अ रिएक्टेंट with some chemical interactions get converted into product, हम बोल सकते हैं कि a chemical reaction is taking place. But how do we know in nature कि एक chemical reaction हो रही है? So there are some changes that we need to know. अगर वहां पे change in state हो रहा है, चेंज इन स्टेट इज टेकिंग प्लेस, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि उसमें एक केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर सॉलिड गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू लिक्विड, एक सॉलिड सब्सटेंस लिक्विड सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, तो वी कैन से दैट अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. और वी कैन से व्हेन लिक्विड इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ गैस, हम बोल सकते हैं कि केमिकल रिएक्शन ड्यू टू सम केमिकल रिएक्शन लिक्विड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू गैस. दिस इज चेंज इन स्टेट. फर्स्ट इज चेंज इन स्टेट. सेकेंड, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर. when there is a change in temperature, when a hot substance is getting converted into a cold substance, हम बोल सकते हैं कि due to some chemical interactions या due to some chemical reaction, hot is converted into the cold. This is the second observation. अगर ये हमें दिखता है कहीं भी नेचर में, तो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि easily a chemical reaction is taking place. Third one, evolution of gas. If we are able to notice कि वहां पे कोई गैस का रिलीज हो रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल CO2 gas is releasing, or say hydrogen gas is releasing, we can say that due to some chemical interactions वहां पे chemical reaction हो रही है, और उस chemical reaction के वजह से there is evolution of these gases. Fourth one is change in color. Change in color. If we are noticing any change in color, say red is converting into blue, red is converting into the blue, red color substance is getting converted into a blue color substance, we can say that a chemical reaction is taking place. For example, we know a red color substance means an acid is getting converted into a base. Of course, there is a chemical reaction taking place now. So through these four observations, we can say that a chemical reaction is taking place in the nature. So in next video, we will learn how to write a chemical reaction, how to write a chemical equation. Thank you.